17 million children don't know where their next meal is coming from. Not overseas, but right here in our country. And they're hidden. You'd be surprised at how close to you they are. They could even be your next door neighbors, and you just wouldn't know it. Why are we as a nation not able to feed our own children? For the children facing this problem daily, this is a crisis. And I agree, we should be doing something about this right now. The Will Play for Food Foundation will help end this crisis. I'm Charles Dye, and I'm here to introduce you to the Will Play for Food Foundation. I'm not a paid celebrity. I'm a husband and father, an American citizen, and a member of my community. I want to see our community's children fed every day. I want them to have every opportunity to grow and thrive and find happiness, as I'm sure you do. Childhood hunger is a very real problem in this country and around the world, but it's especially upsetting that we haven't done more to end it right here where we live in the wealthiest country in the world. Will Play for Food believes that a lot of people all doing a little bit in their community is the most effective way to solve the problem of childhood hunger. We, along with our corporate and private partners, musicians, athletes, and fan communities across the country, can end this crisis. By utilizing amazing live performance and sports events from the arena to the backyard, Will Play for Food and its partners join together with communities to gather for amazing entertainment experiences and use the power of our numbers to empower each community to end childhood hunger. So how does this work? 100% of our concert proceeds and donations go directly to food and its distribution through our partnerships with major charities across the country. In addition, musicians and sports teams of all levels, from rock stars and major leagues to local musicians and high school teams, can utilize our iArtist and iAthlete programs to donate portions of their proceeds to these food budgets. The best estimates are somewhere between $17 and $20 billion would end childhood hunger in the U.S. If each American simply added $10 to their annual tax return, this crisis would be over. If we shifted funding in our federal budget, even for 1 year, to feeding our nation's children, this crisis would be over. And here's a simple one. If all the communities in the country join with the music and sports events we are already enjoying, we can solve the problem ourselves, and the crisis will be over. How about that? We ask you to join us in the fight to end this hidden crisis that happens every single day all across the country. There has never been a more powerful force in the world than a community. Communities build cities, enforce the law, elect officials, and basically run everyday life. We can certainly feed our children. There is a solution, and it starts with us.